Here we are at Contra Costa Power Sports, and today we have our 2006 Yamaha R1 superbike. Beautiful condition. It's got the 50th anniversary racing livery, gorgeous metallic yellow. Only 13,000 miles on this awesome Yamaha R1. Frame sliders, smoke windscreen, adjustable levers. Dan Moto exhaust system. Thing sounds awesome. It's got the gold chain. Come on by, make this low mileage R1 dreams come true for just $74.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock.